This is a unicorn. This is also a unicorn. In venture capital, a unicorn is a privately held startup valued at $1 billion or more. Like these. Why are these companies called unicorns? The term was coined in 2013 by venture capitalist Eileen Lee due to the rarity of such companies at the time. Lee examined software and internet companies that received funding and found that just 39 startups at the time were valued at $1 billion or higher. Over the years, however, unicorns have become less rare. In 2018 alone, 106 new companies around the world achieved unicorn status. And so far in 2019, 74 new startups have joined the club. Right now, there are 187 active unicorns in the US. So, why are so many unicorns emerging? One explanation is the ever-increasing convergence between the private and public markets. In the past, companies often relied on IPOs to generate the capital they needed to scale operations. Today, however, companies are able to raise larger amounts of private funding early on, allowing them to reach billion-dollar valuations without having to go public. So far in 2019, unicorns in the US that are 3 or more years old have raked in $43.1 billion in funding. With more cash on hand than ever, investors are increasingly willing to bet big on the next promising startups. Take Neuro, for example, a startup specializing in self-driving vehicles. Despite being founded in 2016, the company has already raised just over $1 billion in funding, landing at a post-money valuation of $2.7 billion. And this trend is likely to continue. 66% of limited partners say that they plan to increase their allocations to the private markets in the next 5 years, which means we'll likely be seeing more of these high-valued startups, raising the question, are these really unicorns at all? To learn more about unicorns and the VC landscape, download our report.